Your iPhone 17 lets you secure sensitive notes containing personal information like financial details, medical records, or website logins using a password, Face ID, or Touch ID. You can use your iPhone's device passcode or create a separate password specifically for notes. Both methods protect your notes with end-to-end encryption when synced with iCloud. Let's start by locking notes using your iPhone 17 passcode. Using your device passcode is the easiest option since you don't need to remember a separate password. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app. Tap Apps, then tap Notes. Tap Password. If you have multiple accounts, choose the account you want to apply the password to. Follow the prompts, then select Use Device Passcode or choose Create Password if you prefer a separate one. If you create a password, be sure to set a password hint. If your iPhone supports it, enable Face ID or Touch ID so you can lock and unlock notes using biometrics. If you prefer using a unique password for individual notes, you can do this directly from the Notes app. Open the Notes app and select the note you want to lock. Tap the More button, then tap Lock. If you've set up Face ID on your iPhone, it will be used to lock and unlock the note. Otherwise, you will be asked to enable Face ID first. Now here's an important reminder. If you forget a custom Notes password, there is no way to recover locked notes. Apple cannot unlock them because they don't have access to encrypted note contents. While you can reset a forgotten device passcode, the new passcode will only apply to new notes. This means that notes locked with the old password will remain inaccessible. And that's it. If this helped you protect your notes on iPhone 17, give the video a like and check out our other tutorials to learn more built-in security features. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.